Hello student, today I am going to explain OR operator. We already discussed logical operator in a last video. Today I am explaining next operator which is known as OR operator. What is OR operator? So OR operator always use maximum two variable or minimum two variable or more than two variables. Okay, means one variable will not be able to perform OR operator. A second important operator, I'm going to explain the definition of OR operator. A second important operator in a Boolean algebra is OR operator, which denotes operation called logical addition. It is also known, OR operator is also known as logical addition because we are using here plus symbol to combine two variables or more variables. For example, you can see x or y. Okay, you can see x or y, and two variables are there. We can also write x plus y because plus is the logical addition operator, okay, which is also known as OR operator. Now we have to create a truth table for x plus y. So you can see in the example, you can see the example of truth table x y. One more thing which is very important, that there is two variables, so we have to take a combination 4 because 2 to the power 2, what will be the answer? 4. So the inputs of x and y will become 4. So first variable I am taking x and second variable I am taking y. Y takes 4 inputs, first 0, then 1, 0, 1. X taking first 0 input, then 0 input, then 1 and 1. It is defined in your book. You can see very easy, you can see in a easy way from your book. Okay, after the addition, or you can say after perform OR operation, x plus y, the combination of x plus y will become 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1 will become 1, 1 plus 0 will become 1, and 1 plus 1 is also will become 1, which means in OR operator all the combination of 0 1 is become 1. Only 0 and 0, 0 plus 0 will become 0, otherwise all the inputs will become 1. Okay, now I am moving to the next operator which is known as AND operator. AND operator perform another important operations of Boolean algebra called logical multiplication. Simple logical multiplication, which means x multiply y. Okay, the symbol of, you can see symbol we using here dot. Okay, dot is also used in math too. Okay, but in a AND operator we using dot symbol. Example, you can see x and y, you can write x dot y. Now how to create truth table for AND operator? Again we are taking two variables x and y, so the combination of x and y will become 4. Why? Two variables to the power 2, the combination of variables will become, inputs will become 4. So again we are taking two variables x and y. So y have 4 inputs, 0 1 0, 0 1 0, and y have 4 inputs, 0 0 1 1, and x dot y means x and y. Dot represents and, so we can also called x and y. Okay, so x and y will become 0 and 0 become 0, 0 and 1 become 1, because with when multiply 0 to any value it will become 0. So 1 dot 0 is also become 0. Only 1 multiply 1 will become 1. So you can see in AND operator only 1 and 1, only when x and y in both the inputs will 1, so it will become 1, otherwise all the inputs will become, otherwise all the results will become 0. So it's or and ands are little bit opposite. Okay, you have to take very serious, because in an AND operator dot operator is used, and in OR operator plus operator is used. Okay, the combination, both the combinations, you can use any type of examples. You can take 3 variables, 4 variables of example too. Okay, now I am moving to the next point, evaluating of boolean expression using truth table. Now it's time to how to evaluate expression. I am sending you so many questions related to this uh, chapter. Now I am explaining you how to create a combinations. Important thing is that a truth table of n input variables with have 2 to the power n input combination. That is, when you have two variables, okay, when you have when you have 4 variables, so you can put 2 to the power 4, that is 16 rows in it. First example, I will explain you possible combination of x and y are two variables. Okay, so x and y will take 4 inputs, 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1, you know. When you take three variables, then three rows will use, but the combination of inputs will 2 to the power 3, which means 8 combination. You can see x, y and z, 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 up to the 8 times, y 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 up to the 8 times, and 4 times 0 4 times 1 up to 8 times. Okay, when you take 4 variables, it will vary 2 to the power 4. It means 16 combinations you have to take as a input. Okay, uh, thank you for watching and understand it very clearly, and make your notes properly. Thank you.